Microflex 93850 gloves are both formulated and manufactured to higher standards than other disposable gloves, so you can rely on them to consistently protect your workers, helping them stay on task throughout the day. It starts with TNT chemical splash resistance technology, a soft, durable, proprietary polymer formulation that provides superior splash protection against a wide range of chemicals. From there, a highly advanced polymer bonding technique strengthens the glove on a molecular level, enabling Microflex 93850 to provide 2 times more chemical splash protection than leading brands of disposable nitrile gloves. Using state-of-the-art processes, the glove is then manufactured to ensure consistently high levels of quality, film consistency and barrier integrity. Experience a higher level of protection. Microflex 93850.